How to remove items from wishlist in your Shein account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Shein app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Shein account. Now you will land to home page. At the bottom you can find different options. Go to the option of me. Now over here you will find this option of wishlist. Tap on it. And here you can find all of your wish list. Now how to remove it? For that you have to tap on this three dots and you can tap on this option of delete. Tap on delete. Again select the item that you want to delete from your wish list. I'm going to select this one. Tap on three dots and tap on delete. Again tap on delete. And here you go. This is how you remove items from wish list on Shein account. This was very quick and simple process. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.